one, first is ba, okay, and next one seen, okay, and next one is ta and ra, next one ta and mim, next one jim lam, ha jim. We have next letter kha ta, next one seen and dal, short form with all letters in short form. Next one is sheen and ra. After that ain zal, next sod ba, and next one dot and dal, ghain and mim, fa zal, next one qaf lam. After that kaf noon, light kaf without any dot, qaf light kaf noon. Next one lam mim, also this in short form, all letters in short forms. Okay, next one in last line noon kaf, first is noon and this one kaf. After that ha and lam, next hamza zal, next one ya ra. After that tha jim, and we have next letter noon ta, and after that tha ba, and last one noon dha. I hope you understand. Alhamdulillah, it's very easy. After that, focus on the lesson. First is alif, ba, ta, ain. Okay, we have first alif and this one in other shape, in different shape. Alif, also alif. Next one is ba, and this one also ba. This one in two forms, change. Yeah. After that ta, and this one three ta, 1 2 3, it's also ta. After that we have ain, and this one ain, also this one ain and ain. Next one ghain, and it's also ghain, two ghains in different shape, short forms. After that fa, and this one also fa, and this one also fa. Okay, next one we have qaf, this one qaf, and this one also qaf in short form. Okay, don't forget it. It's kaf, light kaf, and this one also kaf. Next one lam, and this one also lam. Okay, yeah. Next one mim, and this one also mim, this one also mim, and also this one mim. Yeah, in different shapes. After that ha, and after that this one also ha. Last one ya, and this one in short form also ya. Our today's lesson completed. You focus the video, open the video with carefully 2 to 3 times, listen this video carefully. After that you will understand, inshallah. It's your today's lesson. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.